Okay, so I used chains and a 2x6 in yoga class today, and the results were pretty fascinating. I learned about using chains to create a sense of compression and make space to move into space from Adarian Barr, and I'm incorporating it here in yoga with a forward fold. It's different than a yoga strap, it's different than a band, it's different than a towel. Get chains and try it. The sense of my ability to make space and move into that space that then just becomes part of my system intelligence is really cool. I worked with it in pyramid pose here too, and it worked really well. So the sense of like twisting the lengths of chain up as I fold into it, it's something you just really have to try. As somebody who is not a bendy yogi, the range of motion that I get and keep using the chains is pretty cool. Also, the sense of space and stability in the hips is awesome. So here's a couple other ways that I used it in this like wide leg seated forward fold. Was really cool with like pressing and stretching the legs out as I again twisted up the chain. And then once I was here, this next time I kind of breathe and then I work in a bit of a twist, which felt awesome for my long uber spine. Then I wanted to see if I could take what my system had figured out using the chains in this way into a bit of a standing flow without the chains. What I noticed is then without the chains, I just had a greater ability to yield in all of these standing positions. So not collapse, not brace, but be able to work in these standing positions with a sense again of space and yielding, working with and alongside gravity. It was really, really cool. Something you